Alright boys, as you can see, we are currently pulled over once again.
Hello, how's it going?
How you doing, officers?
This is Officer Combs with the CHP. The reason for the stop was your no front plate and then your front window tint.
Sorry about that.
Can I see your license registration?
Yes sir, I got you.
Is this your car?
Yes sir. Got you.
Cool wrap you got.
Thank you, I appreciate that. There's my license right there.
And then your registration and insurance.
I got you. There you go.
You post videos on Instagram with this thing?
Yes sir. I think this should be it right here.
Where do you race it?
Huh?
85 or what?
Yes. Wait. Yeah, really race. There you go.
And then how old are you?
I'm 19. And then I'll show you my insurance right now. It's USAA.
All right, have you ever been arrested before?
No sir.
No? You have anything legal in the car?
No sir.
What are you pulling with the E85?
Huh?
How much are you pushing?
I just had like, I think it's like 8 something, I believe. Cause this car comes stock with like
stock, right? With like 8 something?
807, I believe. Yeah, 807, cause it's the Redeye. And then with the 85, I don't know, like an extra like 50 horsepower.
Did you tune it to 85 or you just?
Yeah, it's like tuned, I think. Yeah, something like that. I just brought it to the shop. I do content. I just bought the car, and then here's my right here. Here's my insurance, I believe. Yeah.
Okay.
USAA. There you go.
Same time, right?
All right, I got you. All right, bro. We got put over again, guys. Wait. All right, boys. So we just got pulled over. I went to go get my morning matcha, and as you guys can see, we got pulled over by California Highway Patrol. Yo, but yeah, I just wanted my morning matcha. Today's going good, bro. They're asking me about, is this car on E85? Is it tuned? I don't know, but yeah, we'll see what they say. Super chill cops. I'll catch you guys once I get a response. Why am I always getting pulled over? I get pulled over every single day. Like, all I wanted was to get my matcha, and look, my waffles right here. Look at the waffles. Huh? Yeah, Callie the kid. Yes sir. I bet. But yeah, we should be good. We should be good. Let's see what he says.
All right, here's your information.
Thank you.
Just make sure you get your stuff taken care of. I mean, you're gonna keep getting pulled over with a car like this.
Okay, I got you. 100%.
No front plate, front window tint, stuff like that.
I got you.
These cars come up stolen a lot, so I'm just giving you a heads
Just making
up.
sure. Yeah.
So if you don't want the trouble of getting pulled over, so you got a couple things to fix on your car.
Okay, thank you so much.
So
thank you.
Careful, right?
And we are good, boys. Yo, he said these cars come up stolen a lot. Make sure you get it taken care of. Blah 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 blah. Man. Wait. Oh my gosh, Aiden popped right in front of him, bro. K-band. K-A-band right behind me. We are good to go, boys. Oh my gosh.
Rear K-A-band.
Is this a lane? I think so. Yo, be quiet, please. All right, boys. Time to go back home. We got the matcha. Hold on, we gotta let those. Oh my gosh, bro. All right. I'm nervous right now, bro. How am I always get put over? I always get put over. What is wrong with me? Bro, I knew it. When I saw him, I knew he was gonna bust that U-turn, bro. Like, he put on the lights, everything, just fucking followed me, bro. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Bro, guys, all I wanted was my matcha. Fuck, bro, we always end up getting pulled over. It's like always me. Out of all people, it's me. It's me. Fuck, bro. I'm gonna sell my Hellcat, deadass. Like, Mopar, I love y'all. Look, Mopar, I love y'all. But, yeah, fortunately, it's time for another car. Because I'm tired of getting pulled over. I'm tired of getting pulled over, guys. Like, honestly. Honestly, I'm tired of getting pulled over. Whoops. I'm tired of getting pulled over. I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home. Oh, I just scraped, bro. Oh my goodness. Look, he's right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's gonna pass me like a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Imagine I just run this light right in front of him. Bro, he's gonna see where I live. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm like so nervous right now, bro. This is no bueno, cuz. This is no bueno. Yo. Guys, I'm about to sell my Hellcat. I'm so tired of getting pulled over, bro. Like, I'm so done with this, bro. Like, honestly, bro, I'm finna get another car. You guys let me know in comments what should I get, bro, because I'm actually about to sell my car. He busted a whole U-turn, everything. I'm about to sell my car. It's over with. It's over with. I'm sorry, Mopar. I love y'all, but it's over with. All right. Watch this. Bro's gonna see I live in a nice little apartment. Hi, officer. Okay, we good. Honestly, I need to akle last one more time. I will catch you guys. Bro. Oh my god. I almost got a heart attack. I almost got a fucking heart attack. I was about to floor that shit. I look over, cop just.
I know. No, the way he pulled off.
Yeah, I was about to floor that shit. Dead ass. Like my heart literally it skipped a beat.
Good content.
Dead ass, bro.
Good content.
Bro, Alex, I drove past the cops pointing. The cop pointing the flashlight at me only. Nobody else. This is at me. Flashlight straight at me.
Yeah, this thing's a place, bro. Alex, can you get my big gun?
I feel like he should be good. We're in downtown LA. They don't give a fuck. They're.
He's cooked. Reckless driving.
Bro, I literally just said, damn, bro, he got fucking four-wheel fucking steering, bro. Next thing I know, fucking.
It's all-wheel drive too.
Oh my gosh, bro, I was about to fucking floor them. I was about to just smash. Hell nah.
You would never do a shit like that, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Everywhere here.
I literally, yeah, dead ass.
There's one right there. Look, there's one looking at us. Yeah,
Oh,
shit. You guys didn't see us? Alright, let's go.
We did.
I'm gonna zoom in on video. Look at that.
Yo, he's creeping, bro.
And then the fucking helicopter too, bro. Y'all seen the
They got
helicopter too?
360 fucking. I'm not even gonna say it, bro.
He's probably waiting for us to leave.
He's probably with us.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna fucking pull me over at everybody. Watch this. I already know.
He can do a burnout 360
pointed-
and he'll still pull you over, bro.
He pointed the flashlight at me as I was driving past. The flashlight on me the whole time.
You can do a takeover right here.
Yeah, you can do a takeover, they'll still pull you over.
A 2-minute burnout after that. You're in trouble.
You're more fucked now. To be a little bit, to be honest with you. Okay. I'm not really sure why I'm up. Okay, yeah. When you took that corner, you drove way too fast and you peeled out and you revved your engine and you almost hit that guy. What we should do is arrest you for reckless driving. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take your car for 30 days and we're gonna give you a misdemeanor ticket for exhibition of speed. We're helping you out because what we should do is take you for reckless driving because you almost hit that guy.
They're impounding his
Due to
car.
your recklessness.
For 30 days.
And your reckless disregard
They're not. Are they
for the
booking
safety
him?
of everybody.
Nah, they're
They're
not.
not booking him?
They're giving
So we're helping you out.
They're giving him misdemeanor instead of a felony.
That's. Oh my. He's so lucky. Thank God, bro. That's. Everybody. Thank God.
Do you have anything in the car
Thank
that you
God.
need? It looks like you got the essentials in your own. Okay. I mean, you can't take a red top.
Bro, I can't hear shit. What camera? Muddy as shit, bro.
Your
wipe her camera, but you gotta
When you are not held accountable for your actions, once you are held
So guys, the verdict is he is getting impounded. He's getting a fat ass ticket too.
Getting impounded and getting his car taken away for 30 days, bro. And a misdemeanor.
Bro, I thought it was gonna be downtown LA. They don't give a fuck.
It's just a warning.
They don't give two shits.
Say it's her car. Yeah.
But it's gonna be a lower. It's gonna be a lower.
Hey Thomas,
It's gonna be a lower.
no more racing. I'm good. I'm good. Fuck that shit. Yeah, absolutely. Hell yeah. You know he is. He's probably gonna follow us.
You're parked on a red. You're parked on a red.
That's not traffic. Okay, well, he's gonna have to come with somebody right now, bro. We are. Actually, no,
That's
we're not.
fucked, bro.
No, we're not.
It's fine. Who should you go with?
Whoever, I don't know.
Okay.
Me.
All that.
Yeah, we have big bodies here.
Yeah.
We got the range. Big body.
Yeah.
Range brothers.
We got the Range Brothers. We got the courtesy vehicle.
Did you not have one of those as a courtesy?
Courtesy
No.
vehicle?
Yeah,
No,
bro,
just-
shut up.
It's a Range Rover.
Was in the shot. Same thing as that one.
All right, boys. So right now, oh, one way. Oh no, and the undercover's right there. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm tripping.
Oh,
Just
fuck.
chill.
Go right. No. Right. Go right. Yeah. Don't get on the highway. That's the highway. Oh my gosh. The undercover's waiting for you to tell me to fuck up. All right, boys. So right now we're on the way to go fucking get this dude. So wait, how are we supposed to? Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll
Go
just
straight like 3.
Yeah, let me just set see how we can go around it.
I think I can go right
Turn.
from here.
Yeah, turn right and just go down 3 streets.
Wait, but I think the street he's on is a one-way.
It's all of it.
Yeah, it's a one way. Yeah, so go down.
You gotta
3
turn right. Go
Yeah.
go past. Go
Yeah,
one
past
street
that one.
past
Oh,
it.
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Alright boys, so we're pulling up on him right now to get the boy out of custody. Fuck the police.
Imagine the cop pulls up for a fucking vehicle inspection. He's like, yo.
Okay, no problem.
Just go like one street over right there.
I'll just go.
Look at that, boys. No bueno. And we still have that undercover cop just chilling right there, bro. Like, we're not finna do nothing, you feel me? This is bad, bro. This is bad.
No, you know what else is bad? When you start your car up, that guy over there is gonna beat your ass.
I know. I'm waiting on it. But, we should be chilling out. This?
LARP.
Yeah, that's my shit right here, bro. Yeah, no.
Look at that. Tripping, bro, tripping. Guys, you know how much crime happens in downtown LA? Well, that was low-key a little bit bad, I'm not gonna lie. That was
Not really.
because there was somebody hypothetically properly crossing the road. But, you know, there is other stuff to worry about in downtown LA. That's a little bit OD. Kind of. Stop.